looks cool, huh, Aaron? With the light at night.
Hi guys.
Hi, Aaron. What are you doing?
We are having a balloon party.
Yeah, so what we're going to do is we're going to make a doghouse for Penny out of balloons. All right, so first we're going to make the frame. And we're going to tie the balloons together at the ends and make a frame. All right, so far we have made the base. And we need to blow up way more balloons, huh, Aaron? All right, so we tied the balloons kind of in a cube shape. And so we're working our way up to a house. So we're tying the balloons on the corners together, and then we kind of twist them. We have some spare coming out the sides, but I don't know. Remember, we are not professional balloon artists. Aaron, did you pour out all the balloons?
Yeah, because I wanted to be comfortable, like a blanket balloon.
All right, so we are doing like a pitch in the roof. We'll see how it turns out. Straighten out the balloons so they're not so curved. Here is what we have so far. You can see this one's a little bit too long.
Pretty structurally.
So far, so good.
Aaron likes it.
Aaron likes it, so we're gonna add some more balloons and see what we can do. Now we need to put more walls on here and figure out where the front door is gonna be.
Well, it has to be here.
Oh yeah, so we'll put the front door here and then put the trimmings on, huh? All right, here's the house so far. Here's our little update.
Hey, which is the door? Which one is the door?
So this is gonna be the door. Where? Here's the door right here in the front. See? So we have most of it built. Now we're going to figure out how to put walls on it because these balloons get really tight, so you can't really twist them that much. Penny, are you excited about your house? Yes?
She's sleepy.
She's sleepy. Alright, so far we have just the front side, and then we have over here this wall done. So we're having to use tape because there's no other really way to do it. And so that's how it is right now. Alright guys, so here is the finished house. You can see it's a little wonky. And the roof is kind of weird and the walls are not all the way. And anyway, so to me it looks like a giant cupcake. So let's see if Penny wants to try out her new balloon doghouse. Come on, Penny. All right, so here is Penny's bed from Ikea. And we're gonna put this bed inside of her balloon house. Hey, there we go.
Hi, Penny.
Hi, Penny. All right, Penny, what do you think of your new house? She says, I love it. I think she likes it. What do you think, Aaron?
I think it's cool.
Yeah, it's cool.
All right, Penny.
You're sharp.
Penny's happy.
I should.
Penny, you're happy. All right, now Aaron wants to try it out. Go ahead, Aaron. Go into the house.
I'm gonna pop it though. My butt.
You have some tape on your butt. Hey, all right, he's in there. So what do you think, Aaron, of the house?
It looks cute.
Yeah? You like it in there?
Yeah. I like to be in here all night and sleep.
You're going to stay in there all night?
Yes, like I can sleep in here.
Let's look at it from inside. You see the balloons. And then we use some tape. So it's pretty cool, huh?
Then we can see
It's cozy in
the
here.
roof. The roof, and it's like made of balloons.
Yeah.
A giant, it's like a giant like cupcake house.
Yeah, it's like a giant cupcake house. Exactly.
I'm having fun.
All right, guys. So this is how it looks at night. It's a club at night. And You can see the lights shining all the way up from the beautiful cupcake balloon house. Looks cool, huh, Aaron? With the light at night?
It looks pretty.
Yeah. So let us know what you guys think in the comments of this cupcake doghouse slash Aaron fort. And hopefully, you know, in the future when we do this, we have a little bit more experience. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Can I stay here for a long time?